Today, we've been digging into the background of the shooter, 20-year-old Christopher Redding Jr., who died Tuesday in an exchange with deputies as they tried to serve a warrant. News 13's Julie Gargata is live at the Orange County Jail right now. And Julie, there seems to be some delays in the process.
Marla, after he was arrested back in January for 3 robberies while on probation, Redding spent some time here at the Orange County Jail, but days later he bonded out, and weeks later deputies were coming for him again. We went to the experts to see if this whole process was by the book. When he was booked on January 28th for robberies, Christopher Redding Jr. was identified as a violent offender. This designation granting the Florida Department of Corrections a 5-day administrative hold, according to Orange County Corrections. Redding bonded out of jail $45,000 on February 5th. Corrections says his background screening did not produce any active warrants, but records reflect a judge signed this warrant on February 2nd. It didn't hit the probation office and clerk of courts until a week later on the 9th, allowing him to bond out in between. Deputies served the warrant just yesterday.
Nothing in this timeline is really out of the norm for you when you're looking at this.
It's not out of the norm. It's not.
Attorney Mark NeJame is not involved in this case, but says overload and limited resources might explain the lag between when the sheriff's office got the warrant and what went down yesterday.
We have a massive overload. We literally have tens of thousands of outstanding warrants in Orange County that have not been served. We would like to say it happens instantaneously, but it could have been that they made many efforts to find the person.
As for the week-long gap between when the judge signed the warrant and it hit the system, NeJame can't speculate.
It looks like when Judge Kess got the affidavit from the probation officer, he signed it the same day.
Minutes ago, we heard back from the court who said they have an agreement with corrections that when they get a warrant for a violent offender like Redding, they have an agreement that they'll actually walk it through and not drop them off. They said they're not really sure why a warrant of this nature, it didn't happen that way, why, in fact, it wasn't walked through. Reporting live in Orange County, Julie Gargata, News 13.